Hello everyone. Today my topic is on delete set null. So in the previous session I've already discussed about on delete set default. So to understand this topic, please watch the video on delete set default. So then you will understand this video why we use on delete set null. So in this session we have two tables, department table and teacher table. So I have already discussed in the previous session what is primary key and all the foreign keys. So here I will only discuss about on delete set now. So in the above table, if the value of the department id attribute in department table is deleted, then the corresponding value in teacher table would set to be null. So once I delete particular row of the department table, then the corresponding value in the teacher table would set to be null. So here is the example. Suppose I want to delete the science first row of the science department. If I want to delete this particular row of the department table, then in the teacher table it will set to be a null. In the previous session, in on delete set default, I have declared 2 3 4. So we don't have to declare we don't have to declare set null in this statement. So here once the particular row is deleted, then once the particular row is deleted of the science department, and in the teacher table Anusha Sharma, Rohit Rai and Neha Rai is belong to the science department, so it will not be deleted, but it will insert the value null in the department number. So thank you.